Hello! Welcome to my channel. This is Jenna. And today I'm gonna make one of my favorite Korean foods, which is called Jap Chae. Jap means like randomly mixed in Korean, and chae is short for vegetable, 야채 or 채소 in Korean. So we'll make Jap Chae together today. I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's really delicious. I've made it multiple times, and I invited my friends to give some Korean food experience, and I made Jap Chae all the time, and everyone really likes Jap Chae. So I really recommend you to try making this food. It's not too difficult. I think it's pretty easy actually. You just need to prepare some vegetables, and you cook noodles, and then you make the sauce and you just mix it. So it's pretty simple to make. The ingredients that you need is glass noodle, vegetables, and sauce. I will show you all the ingredients later, but I wanted to show you this noodle first. This is Korean 당면, which is glass noodles. It is called glass noodle because if it's cooked, like when it's cooked, it becomes a bit transparent, a little bit translucent. So that's why it's called glass noodle. It's made out of sweet potato starch, so I think it's pretty healthy. And it's hard when you first buy it. It's like dry and hard. So I usually soak it in water for like more than 30 minutes and then boil it around 3 minutes. But if you're lazy to soak it, you just can boil it from the scratch, and it will take like 7 to 8 minutes, and then it will become transparent. So this I just wanted to show you. I know there are some other like glass noodles from other countries, but to make Jap Chae we have to use this Korean glass noodles. I'm sure you would find it in any Asian market or Korean market. So let's go to the kitchen. So I have my main ingredients here, and this is black fungus. I bought it in an Asian market here. It's not a must, you can skip it, but this you need to have it because it's like core ingredient. And this one is tteokguk, like thinly sliced Korean rice cake, and you also can skip this as well, doesn't need to have it, but I really like it, so I'm just gonna put it. And this is black fungus. I soaked it as well. This you should soak it, like it becomes really big like this. It looks a bit funny, but it's really chewy and delicious. And these are vegetables that I'm using. 1 onion, I'll probably use just in half, and carrots, chili pepper, mushroom, sesame oil, soy sauce, and spinach. This sesame oil is from Korea. I brought it from Korea, and as you can see, it's really dark. The color is really dark, but you can just use any kind of sesame oil, but I recommend you to use Korean one because it has a lot stronger taste than other sesame oils. Oh, and garlic as well. 1. Let's get started. sauce. I not minced, but I cut 1 clove of garlic here. 1 spoon, 1.5, let's put, of soy sauce. 1.5. This. 1 spoon of sugar. This. 1 spoon of sesame oil. Oh, it was a bit more than 1 spoon. And then mix everything well. So now we got everything ready here. Noodles and stock, the sauce, and the vegetables. And now we're gonna just mix everything well nicely. Well, thank you for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed my video and the food. I hope to see you again. Please subscribe and like my video, and I'll come back with more delicious and different type of food. Stay tuned.